Can we talk about real estate and debt and the relationship with that?
Yeah.
Let's start with debt, because I remember you called into, this was probably 3 or 4 months ago, you called into the Bet David podcast. And this was this was right after the election. So, we were dealing with some of the ramifications of all that. And you said, and I'm going to quote you here, Robert, you said, you don't need money because you can go to the bank and borrow it. You also said you have $1 billion in debt and you borrow money to buy real estate. Put yourself in the shoes of the average American. What should their relationship with debt look like?
They should, another friend of mine, I forget his name now, but he always says live debt free.
Yeah.
I forget his name.
We know the man you're talking about, Dave Ramsey.
Dave Ramsey. He's a good friend of mine. He's accurate. If you have no financial education, live debt free. But if you want to do what a real capitalist does, which is use debt and pay no taxes, because that's what happened in 1971. The US dollar became debt and it was only offset via taxes. In other words, the only way debt can be paid off is by the American taxpayer paying taxes.
Mm-hmm.
So I started studying. And so in 1973, I took my first real estate course and I never stopped. That's why I have tremendous respect for what Patrick Bet-David and Valuetainment is doing, is because you guys are teaching people from the real world of money. Now, I'm not saying buy real estate or stocks or bonds or mutual funds. I'm saying please get educated and listen to real teachers. I would never tell you to live debt free. I would never tell you to invest in a mutual fund. You know how manipulated those things are. I don't trust ETFs, and bonds are the worst investment possible today. But that's what everybody's getting into. So we're going to have what the Marine Corps says, it's an F word. There's going to be a big one coming up soon. And that's why I wrote the book, Who Stole My Pension? Because all the bad assets are dumped in pension funds by Wall Street. You know that, I know that. But the average guy doesn't. They go to school, they get a job, and they get a 401k. I mean, for most people, that's the best thing they can do if they don't want to invest in their financial education.
Mm-hmm.
That's my advice.
Well said.
Thank you for watching this short clip. If you want to see the full episode, check it out right here. And if you have not subscribed to Valuetainment, click right here.